If your engine's timing is off, it can cause some serious problems. And in the most serious cases, it can destroy your engine. Even if it's only slightly off, it can cause problems that affect how your car drives and how much gas mileage you get. Common signs that your engine's timing is off. Your car is hard to start or doesn't start at all. The engine is rough and shakes, especially when idling. You're missing power, especially when accelerating. You hear a knocking or pinging sound. The engine is backfiring. You're getting poor gas mileage, and your check engine light is on. In an interference engine, the pistons and valves share the same space, and if they get out of sync, they can collide, causing bent or broken valves, damaged pistons, a destroyed cylinder head, and even bent connecting rods. If this happens, your engine is toast. In a non-interference engine, the pistons and valves don't touch, so the worst that can happen is your engine will stall. But in most cases, there's no physical damage, and replacing the timing belt or chain will fix the problem. Notice any of these signs, get your car checked right away.